this little Dewalt flexvolt cordless air compressor. I use it to put air in my trailer, in my different vehicles, and since it's cordless, I can take it anywhere. It's just very simple, on off. I have air hose, Goodyear air hose that I bought from Amazon. I hook it up here, and it can go up to regulator pressure. It can go up to 120, but mostly I leave it at 60 for tires. If I use pneumatic air guns, I can crank it up as required, but it's the flexvolt is portable. That's like real important. It takes a cordless battery, and I can take it anywhere. I don't have to, my cars could be parked anywhere, my trailer could be parked anywhere, and I just air it up right now. My trailer, the maximum air pressure is 75, truck is 45, cars are like 35, 32, so 120 up to 120 regulator pressure, and that's more than anything I ever needed for. Mostly pneumatic guns are under that, and it's a good reliable unit. I've been real happy. Comes in handy a lot of times. And after I'm done using, I always be sure to take the residual moisture, little water that builds up in here. So, but always read your owner manual. So I just turn it on to let the moisture out, water out, before I store it. Thanks for watching my video.